President Bongbong Marcos signed the Philippine Maritime Zones Act and the Philippine Archipelagic Sea Lanes Act into law to further strengthen our 2016 arbitral award. However, fishermen in the West Philippine Sea have some reservations about our new laws. Here's a report.
The long-awaited bills operationalizing the 2016 arbitral ruling were finally signed into laws. President Bongbong Marcos signed the Philippine Maritime Zones Act and the Philippine Archipelagic Sea Lanes Act. Marcos said the twin laws align with international law, particularly the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea, or UNCLOS. The two acts are also aiming to improve the country's maritime security and economic development. However, the fisher folk group, Alyansang Pamalakaya, has some reservations about the new laws. Pamalakaya National Chairman Fernando Hicap expressed doubts that China will recognize the laws when it comes to the tension in the West Philippine Sea.
Ito yung isang isang foreign natin dyan. Hindi nga kinikilala ng China yung arbitral ruling ng 2016. No? Even yung UNCLOS, sabi nga natin kahit yung UNCLOS na lang kasi bahagi sila doon sa permado ng UNCLOS, hindi nila kinikilala yun, tapos ginamit nilang dahilan at itong pagtutol nila dito sa 2016 arbitral ruling.
Hicap is still worried that China will continue to harass them whenever they fish in the West Philippine Sea.
Ang nakakabahala, in particular sa amin, sa mga mangisda natin Pilipino, yung pag-intensify lalo ng pangaharas ng China sa ating mga mangisda.
Hicap also revealed that lawmakers never consulted them during the crafting of the twin laws. That's why he thinks the laws are mostly serving the interests of the U.S.
Kasi hindi naman magmamalakas ng loob, lalakas ang loob ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, na magbalangkas ng ganitong batas. Na alam naman, ngayon, sinasabi nila na anticipate na sila na hindi ko kikilalanin ng China. Pero bakit pinatupad pa? Diba? Kung alayunin natin ng pag-resolve ng problema natin dyan sa sa West Philippine Sea, ang namin mapayapa, Ang isang dyan na papayapa dapat mag-usap.
But for maritime security expert Chester Cabaza, the new laws can be helpful in forming a code of conduct related to the issue in the West Philippine Sea. He also pushed for the maritime zones and archipelagic sea lanes laws to be internationalized.
We want to internationalize so that the international community will recognize it and perhaps will use it as a legal instrument for international law. Dapat din natin gawin yung proseso, gaya ng mga ginagawa natin sa pag-file ng ECS natin at mga legal instruments para ma-recognize yung mga teritoryo natin.
Di ba yan din yung pinag-uusapan natin over the weekend, yung paano yung implementation nito? Maganda Maganda yung
dalawa yan. Maritime Zones Act and Archipelagic Sea Lanes Act. Yung Archipelagic defines the areas wherein kung saan pwede dumaan ang mga foreign vessels
at within our bounds
foreign
of our
aircraft
law.
already.
Susundin nila dapat.
Ano yung isa?
Maritime Zones
ano yung Maritime Zones
territorial, di ba?
What about territorial?
Territorial natin.
Explain mo.
Ano?
Explain mo.
Diyan natin makikita,
di ba? Hindi ko pa nabasa din naman.
Kasi it solidifies yung ating claim through arbitral ruling.
Basically,
diba? Na ito, yung territorial natin, ito yung exclusive economic zone natin, na we are also responsible in exploiting and taking care of the reserves there.
Yan. Para sa basic context lang po, kumbaga ginagawa natin ng isang international law into a domestic law. So, dinidikit natin yung law na nangyari based on international law and yung arbitral ruling at inaangkin natin. Inaano ko lang. Binibasic ko lang sa tao para maintindihan nila. So, ngayon, may laban na po tayo. Kunyari may mga, not only China, but other countries as well, na dumadaan sa hindi dapat iladaanan, we're able to charge them with legal remedies.
It is also within our rights na explore yung area na yun, especially yung Philippine rice, di ba? Yung Vietnam rice na alam naman natin when a lot of them have already surveyed the area, napaka rich in oil, 'di ba? Natural gases yung area na yun. So, yun yung
Geothermal gases, deuterium.
Yes,
Oo,
oo.
deuterium.
Pero yun nga yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, yung implementation, hindi nga, yung, I can understand yung sinasabi ni Sir sa Pamalakaya, Pamalakaya, sinasabi niya na papano. Kasi nga, di ba, yung mismong arbitral ruling nga hindi ginagalang ng China. Di ba? Yung pakaya yung
kahit
sa
naman
ating sarili natin. And maglalabas tayo ng mapa natin. Ito ay supported also ng mga allies natin.
I think
But
alam
of course,
ko,
itong China ayaw.
Over the weekend, parang I saw already they complained, filed a complaint already in
ayaw
China.
na nila. Diplomatic protest na sila. Hindi daw nila ito nire-recognize.